Testing 1, 2, and 3. Testing 1, 2, and 3. How does it sound to me?
Oh, hey, good to see you. You must be here because you tired of creating content and not having good sound. Well, I am in search of the same thing. So I got this lapel mic, and I guess you're going to see with me how good it is to thee. Okay. All right. So today I am going to be unboxing the Puqo M1 wireless lavalier microphone. Okay, so let's get to it. But first I want to say thank you for stopping by. If you are a new viewer, thank you for coming by. If you are one of my subscribers and you're returning, thank you so much again for that. And don't forget, if you like this video, go ahead and tap that share button, that subscribe button, and that like button. All right, let's get back to it. So let me just read some stuff on here. It says it is, the transmission distance is 20 m's or 65 feet. It has 1 for 2, 1 receiver with 2 microphones, noise cancellation. It says it support 3rd level noise cancellation. The sound delay is 25 ms. The microphone is 38 dB plus 3 dB omnidirectional condenser. SNR is 70 dBs. The battery life is 6 to 7 hours. Transmitter battery capacity 85 mAh. Rechargeable case battery capacity is 600 mAh. And the adapter is a 5 volt. All right, it says producer color is like a blue. I hope that's not true. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. How y'all doing today? I am doing good. It's good to be back. Good to see you, talk to you. All right. Comes in a box like this, and we'll go ahead and take it out. Okay, hold on. We got something else in here. It says accessories. And of course it comes with a little instruction booklet. It says M1 wireless lavalier microphone, user manual, and I'm assuming it tells you everything that should be in the package. It has there. And looks like it has a receiver and the light. It tells you all about it. Okay, you read it yourself. All right. So, like I said, I'm just seeing this for the first time myself, so we'll learn together. All right. There it is. There it is. There it is. And you open it up, and we have, let's see. We have, looks like this must be the receiver where you plug it. I think you can plug this into, actually this is specially made for your iPhone. So if you have an iPhone, this is the one to do. Looks like the receiver is there. And, oh, okay. See, ooh, it's like trying to find me, okay? With my phone, I guess. It's seeking. And this is like a clip-on thing here. You go ahead and you could do like such and like so. It's not very noticeable. Oh, I pushed the button. I hope that doesn't like turn it on or whatever. All right, so, and then you put it on your, like that, and that's pretty cool. So, I am letting you hear how I sound now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set this on up, and I'm gonna come back and use the sound through here and see how you like it. All right, y'all, so I went off here and I learned me some stuff about this. So, like I was saying, this is the receiver here. So, I don't know if I could plug this up while I'm talking to y'all. That might not work. So, and when you take this out of here, it's gonna go ahead and, like I said before, it's trying to hook up and connect to the receiver. So let me see if I could do this while I'm still recording. I don't know if I can. Let me try it. I'm gonna be all in the camera. Let's see. Don't go nowhere. I'm here.
So it's speaking. Now, I don't know if it's hooking up to, if you can hear me through the mic or if I'm still hearing through this. Let me pause and see what happened, okay? One moment. All right, y'all. So you heard, you lost me for a moment. Like it takes a few seconds for it to hook up, and then there it is. So what y'all think? What do you think of the sound? All right, so let me finish telling you about this. It also has, it comes with a Type-C charger. Let me see what's in here. Come on. Come on out of there. See, it's the Type-C charging port. All right. And you can use this to charge the whole case, because the case itself is a charger, and it tells you, oh, when it's in there. So I wonder, maybe this other one is not charging yet. But, oh, there you go. See, when you put it back in, it tells you how much battery life it has, and it tells you either the left one, it's the left one, or the right one. This is the left one. It says it's 92% charged. So when the case is no longer charged, you go ahead and plug it up and charge it that way. And also when these are out of battery, then you put it in here and it charges from the case. All right, so I wonder how it would sound if I use both mics, or can I use both mics at the same time? Let's try that, okay? What y'all thinking so far? How you liking the video so far? If you're liking it, go ahead and tap that like button and the subscribe button so you can see my next video. You don't want to miss. You don't want to miss. You liking this, right? All right. Now, can you hear that? How does that sound with two mics? Does it sound better? Does it sound worse? I know I noticed when I was recording without the mics, it sounds kind of echoey. This is more, it sounds more, you know. What do you think? Tell me about it. All right, so let's move on. It has a C charging port. What else is there for me to tell you about it? It just basically tells how to hook it up, how to charge, and I like the features, I do, but I haven't heard the sound, so I'm gonna have to listen to it back, and I'll come back and tell you what I think about the sound, okay? In the meantime, you go ahead and write a comment down below and tell me what y'all think. One moment. All right, guys, so here's what I did. I went back just like I started by doing testing 1, 2, and 3. Testing 1, 2, and 3. How does it sound to me? All right, and you know, I listened back to it, and the first voice, like I said, it has a lot of echo, and I think this sound right here is more rounded and contained, and I don't have to yell, and that was the whole purpose of this new sound. Y'all, check out what I learned since I talked to you last. See this button right here? It controls the noise reduction, the mute, and reverb. Okay, now check this out. If I double click it, watch. I'm back, okay? But watch this. If I long press it, then we got the reverb. Can you hear me reverbing? Okay. Hold on, let me put it back. So that is a bonus. What y'all think? Tell me what you think. Give me a comment down below, okay? And I forgot to tell you, if y'all like this, you can go ahead. I will leave a link in the description box, and you can get one for yourself. All right, so what you gonna do? Tell me what you think. Write a comment down below. If you like my video, hit that like button and that subscribe button, because you know you want to see Kathy's heart coming back to you soon. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.